So today we're going to be working on more with function notation, and they're going to get a little bit more complicated, but hopefully everything is going to work out fine. So remembering from yesterday that to evaluate a function, you have to replace the variable with the given value. So we're going to be doing that, but then we might be doing more things with them. All right, so what do I have here? So here's my function, my h function, 3x squared minus 4. I want to find h of 3 plus 6. But notice the 6 is not inside the little parentheses. So that means that I'm going to put 3 in for x, get an answer, and then add 6 to it. So it's kind of like order of operations. So I'm first going to figure out what h of 3 is. So h of 3 is going to be 3 times 3 squared minus 4. 3 squared is 9. So 3 times 9 is 27. 27 minus 4 is 23. Then I can take, right, h of 3 plus 6. Well, I know h of 3 is 23 plus 6, so my final answer would be 29. If you had wanted to, you could have just added in the plus 6 along here and gotten it and done it in one step. But I'm going to put a box around here and just say that that's another way you could have done it. All right, for number 2, now we have our f function, 2t to the third, and they want me to do, this is what they're telling me to do, to find f of negative 3, f of 1, and then subtract them. So I'm going to do f of negative 3 first. So that's going to be 2 times negative 3 cubed. Remember, you have to put the negatives inside your parentheses. So negative 3 cubed is going to be negative 27. And then negative 27 times 2 is negative 54. All right, now I have to find f of 1. So that's 2 times 1 to the third. So that's just 2. Now we're going to subtract them. So now f of negative 3 minus f of 1 really means negative 54 minus 2, which is negative 56. Do not let your integer rules fool you. I don't know why that says f of m. Well, I shouldn't say that. Sometimes we can take and put in another variable. So this means wherever I see x, I'm going to put m in. So this is going to be 4 times m plus 6, which is just 4m plus 6. Well, this one means wherever I see x, I'm putting in x minus 2. So that means 4 times x minus 2 plus 6. So now I want to go through and actually do my distributive property. 4x minus 8 plus 6. Combine my like terms, 4x minus 2. All right, for letter C, this means I want to add my two functions together. So I'm not substituting in because they're both with x's. But I'm going to have 4x plus 6 plus x squared plus 8x. So this is going to be a combining like terms. I'm going to start with my x squareds. I don't have any others. I can combine 4x and 8x. That's going to give me 12x. I don't have anything else with my 6, so then I'm just going to write it down. All right, let's see. This one means 5 times whatever the function is. That's what that means. So that means I'm going to do 5 times 4x plus 6. I'm going to actually go through and do my distributive property, which is 20x plus 30. For letter E, I'm going to put in negative 6x wherever I see an x. So that means negative 6x squared plus 8 times negative 6x. All right, so let's do this first. So I have to distribute this. Negative 6 squared is 36. X squared is x squared. And then 8 times negative 6 is negative 48x. We did these kind of rules for this problem. We did those in 7th grade math last year. I think that's it. It is. Okay. Any questions? Bring them to class, but it's about being able to understand and read the notation And then you're just doing what it says in terms of either combining like terms or doing order of operations. But we will see you tomorrow with any questions. Have a good night.